Hey, I got iron.
What is button?
I got iron, bro.
Today I'm gonna play with my friend Minecraft in a surviving world. Gonna try to survive and gonna try to survive until day 100. So we don't have mods in, we don't have nothing. That is my friend's name, Steve. His real name. He has skins, but he doesn't want to use it. He has skins, but he doesn't want to use it. So we're gonna make a world. We already made the world. Sorry to say that. We already made the world. So today we're gonna try to build
Steve
a
has
house in
changed from Steve
survival.
skin to custom skin.
My friend is gonna make a skin for him. We already put the skin on. My skin is, this is my skin. See? So I'm gonna put the recording thing off and gonna survive until day 1. Let's mine wood. So we already have food today. So this is day 1 and we already have 17 wood. But I'm gonna have more wood than that. So I need a lot of food because we're gonna build a house. So Steve is not here, he's gonna change his name. I don't know if he's gonna change his name, but guys, we need to build our house till day 100.
Where are you, Adrian? Where are you?
Guys, my name is not Adrian, my name is A. In real life, my name is A. I'm really sorry to say that. So sad. I saw my friend is putting cheats on. Sorry, but people are making noise outside, so I need my phone. The phone's not right now, so the phone's gonna glitch a little bit. I'm gonna put the voice recording off, and you guys need to just watch the video. This is my friend Steve. I put the voice record on. So we're gonna so we don't need to make the video so long, but it's almost time.
I don't.